Microsoft Excel 2019. In this chapter, we will learn MS Excel, learn to modify a worksheet, learn to work with a workbook. MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet available with MS Office package. A spreadsheet contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as worksheet. Uses of MS Excel. An Excel worksheet enables you to carry out complex arithmetic calculations and logical operations such as addition, multiplication, subtractions, etc. Microsoft Excel 2019 is one of the advanced versions of MS Excel. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. MS Excel spreadsheet is called an electronic spreadsheet. A page in MS Excel is called a worksheet. An Excel document is referred to as a workbook. Starting MS Excel. To open Microsoft Excel, select Start, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel 2019. Creating a new file or workbook. To create a new workbook, click on the New option from the File tab. A new workbook window will appear. Cell in worksheet. A cell is an intersection of rows and columns. Each cell in a worksheet is identified by its cell address. Saving a workbook. To save a workbook, choose Save icon from Quick Access toolbar or Save command from File tab. Then Save as dialog box appears and click on Save button. Closing a workbook. To close Excel workbook, select Close option from the File tab. Opening a file. To open a file that you have saved, click on the File tab and choose Open option. A dialog box will be displayed. Select the existing workbook file and click on Open button.
MS Excel. Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as worksheet. Uses of MS Excel. An Excel sheet enables to carry out complex arithmetic calculations and logical operations such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. Uses of MS Excel. MS Excel prepares documents in tabular form. Microsoft Excel 2016 is one of the advanced versions of MS Excel. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. MS Excel spreadsheet is called an electronic spreadsheet. Here you can see a spreadsheet. This is the MS Excel window. Spreadsheet performs large calculations in a very fast and easy manner. It saves time and increases the accuracy of the calculations. A page in MS Excel is called a worksheet. An Excel document is referred to as a workbook. The active sheet is always highlighted. Starting MS Excel. Steps to open MS Excel. Click on Start button. Select All Programs. From All Programs, select Microsoft Office. From Microsoft Office, select Microsoft Excel 2016. Now we can discuss about the parts of a Excel workbook. First one, File tab. Quick Access toolbar. Title bar. Formula bar. Cell. Name box. Sheet tab. Status bar. Creating a new file or workbook. To create a new workbook, click on the New option from the File tab. A new workbook window will appear. Select Blank Workbook and click on it. When you select New, you will get a window like this. From here, we can select Blank Workbook. Column heading. The column heading displays letters which distinguish each column. Row heading. The row heading displays numbers which distinguish each row. Cell in a worksheet. A cell is an intersection of rows and columns. Each cell in a worksheet is identified by its cell address. The name box displays the address of the selected cell. Cell address is a combination of column name and row. The selected cell is called the active cell. Navigation through cells. Horizontal and vertical scroll bars help to navigate entire worksheet. Entering data. To enter data in a cell, select the cell and type the data and then press Enter key. Editing a cell. To edit the contents of a cell, select a cell and type a new data. Changing column width. To change the width of a column, place the mouse on the column heading. Then the cursor change to directional arrow tool. Click and drag the line outwards to increase the width of the column and inwards to decrease the width of the column. Changing row height. To change the row height, select the entire row and right-click on it. Select Row Height option from the pop-up menu. Enter a new size of row in the Row Height box. After that, click on OK button. Merging cells. Merging cells means combining two or more adjacent cells into one cell. To merge, step 1, select the cells to merge. Step 2, click on Merge and Center option on Alignment Group in Home tab. Step 3, the selected cells will be merged into a single cell. Creating a table. To create a table, open a blank workbook by clicking New option on File tab. Hide and unhide. Hide option is used to hide a particular column or row in a worksheet. Unhide option is used to display hidden column or row. Adding background pictures. To insert a background picture to a worksheet, step 1, select the sheet. Step 2, select the background option on the Page Setup group in Page Layout tab. Step 3, select a picture and click on Insert button. The selected picture is inserted. To remove the background of the selected sheet, click on the Delete Background option on the Page Setup group in Page Layout tab. Saving a workbook. Choose Save icon from the Quick Access toolbar or Save command from File tab. Save as dialog box appears. After entering the file name, in the file name box, click on Save button. Close a file. To close Excel workbook, select Close option from the File tab.
That's all about this chapter. Thank you.